Hello and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use the Chatbot feature in the Fresa application. First, log into your Fresa account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Next, head over to your user profile. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see the Fresa Chatbot icon. Click the icon to open the Chatbot. The Chatbot window will now appear on your screen. If you have any questions while using the application or making entries, just type your query into the Chatbot. It will provide helpful guidance and solutions right away. And that's how you can use the Chatbot feature in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.